Hi, my name is Rebecca Dittmar, and today I'm going to introduce you to one of my favorite herbs, ginger. Ginger's Latin name is Zingiber officinale. It is in the Zingiberaceae family. Ginger is known by a host of other common names. I've heard that Jamaican ginger is the best. Ginger grows somewhat like an onion, with a stalk growing straight up from the root, with long, narrow leaves, and at the top of the plant are greenish-purple flowers with yellow markings. The part of ginger that is used is the tuberous root. The constituents in ginger vary depending on whether it's fresh, somewhat dry, or completely dry. There are a lot of different properties in ginger, and they each have their own specialties. For instance, vitamin B3, or niacin, is an important antioxidant and helps your metabolism and nervous system. Never boil ginger, and always cover ginger tea or infusions while they're steeping. If you do not follow this rule, you will lose the volatile essential oil to evaporation. Ginger's therapeutic actions include things like adjuvants that help strengthen the immune system. Its sialagogue properties will help if your medications make your mouth dry. Because it's a rubefacient, it will bring blood to the surface of your skin to help with healing. These are just a few of ginger's many therapeutic actions. When using ginger to stimulate your appetite, correct GI issues, including digestion, gas, and constipation or diarrhea, make sure you take it just before, with, or after your meal. You can use ginger anytime as a pick-me-up or for colds, high cholesterol, headache, or sluggish heart. Use ginger in between meals for parasite or worm infection. Use ginger as needed for poisonous snake or insect bites. Then go to the emergency room for help. Ginger adds a delicious, spicy flavor to your cooking. Combine ginger with herbs that have complementary and synergistic properties for the most desirable effectiveness. Match the type of preparation for what you're trying to accomplish, whether for menses, cholesterol help, inflammation, colds, or any other way you can think of using it. With a little pre-planning, ginger can even be used to calm your stomach when you're experiencing motion sickness. Ginger is listed as generally regarded as safe. As with all herbs, make sure you don't take too much, because in the case of herbals, too much can be a bad thing. Remember to keep to the recommended dosages. If you want to use ginger for children, make sure you dilute the dosage properly for their age, height, and weight. Keep in mind whether the child is mildly ill or severely ill, and go to the emergency room if necessary. Ginger does reduce the effectiveness of anticoagulant drugs like warfarin and hypoglycemic drugs. Ginger can interact with other herbs, making them less effective as well. Here is a recipe for winter immune support capsules. Take them as recommended, but always remember to go to your doctor if you don't get better. This is one of my favorite recipes, and I almost always add just a little more ginger. Make sure you have a tagine or a heavy skillet, like a cast iron skillet, so that it cooks evenly. Thanks for watching.